Okay. Guess what we have? An empty bottle. It is a bottle of CoQ10. Now, as you see, I could fit up to at least here and stuff, so that's a pretty big container. So yeah, what should I make out of this? Right? I want suggestions for you from y'all, from the people who watch. Suggestions, right? What would y'all want to see in this kit as a kit? What type of kit would y'all want to see from this? I could do whatever, really. So, tell me. What do y'all see in this kit? What type of kit would y'all want? Right? Anyway, post-box Bible, who is found in the wasteland. God bless and peace. And if God be for us, who can be against us? And I'm also here to say, for as he thinketh in his heart, so is he. Peace.